Oh, bitch. That was my skin. Today's video is on how I did these super quick and easy, because they are really quick. I think it took me maybe 15 minutes to do my whole head. Nice little beach with nice little waves here. Sometimes just straight hair isn't cutting it. Sometimes you just need something to spruce up some hair that you're not really trying to go all in for, and a little bit of curls towards the ends always work. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching. Okay, so this hair is body wave. I straightened it about a week ago, so it's starting to revert, like with after like being in the shower. After being in the shower, being outside, humid, I did actually like wand curl the ends before. So the only two things that you're gonna need, because the majority, like the top of the hair is flat, it's not many crimps and waves up here, which is perfect because we're only going to wand curl starting at like your cheeks. So curls are gonna start forming from there. So you want the hair pretty straight. But first we're gonna go in with our wax stick, if I can just find it. With our wax stick, and we're going to, oops, let me scoot it. Put that on the part up here. Help deal with them flyaways. And then I like to flat iron my closure back. So I go back and then down over. So you're just gonna split your hair into two sections, so split it down the middle and the back. Separate it. We're gonna curl once. We're gonna clip one side up. We're gonna clip one side up. We're going to take the other. Oh shh. I don't know what's going on. Clip one side up. We're gonna take the other side, y'all. This is the quickest but like easiest way to get some curls, just some texture to the hair. When you don't have a lot of time, when you just can't go in layer by layer and straighten out hair. This is 4 bundles in here of 3.5 bundles of 26 inches. So, you know, it's a lot of hair when you don't have time. So I separated it again. Actually, that's not really even. So I'm gonna separate each section into, hey yo, where your clip at, son? I'm moving real wacky because I have mad clips and I don't see them. It was trying to disrespect me. Not even about to lie. We're gonna just separate that. Again, I think my lash is coming off. My lash is coming off, guys. Pause intermission. So I'm gonna take pretty big sections, and you're gonna take your curling wand, and you're just going to wrap around and hold it for, I say, about 10 seconds. Hold it for about 10 seconds, and you're gonna let it go. And you're going to do that all the way through the hair. But you see how I'm not going all the way up to the roots? I'm only going maybe 3/4 of the way up, because again, we want the top of our hair to be straight. We just really want like a wave at the end. Let's see. And then boom. With the guy I sacrificed, I knew you could not sleep without me. While hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share it. Of course, follow me on my social media. All that is in the description box below. And like always, guys, stay cute and stay blessed. See you in the next video.